Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today Saturday, June 24th, 2023. It is 2:34 and 18 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, Blackhole. So let's jump to it here. Detection of an echo emitted by our galaxy's black hole 200 years ago. Date June 21st, 2023. Source, CNRS. An international team of scientists has discovered that Sagittarius A, the supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way, emerged from a long period of dormancy some 200 years ago. Astronomers has revealed the past awakening of this gigantic object, which is 4 million times more massive than the Sun. No effect was felt on Earth, as the distance between Sagittarius A and our planet is too great, about 2 million times the distance from the Earth to the Sun. However, the X-ray echo detected, which was emitted about 200 years ago, reveals that the original intensity was at least 1 million times greater than that currently emitted by Sagittarius A. And to get an idea of the increase in the intensity of the X-ray emission when the black hole emerged from its quiescent state, it is as if a single glowworm hidden in the forest suddenly became as bright as the sun. And these findings explain why galactic molecular clouds near Sagittarius A are shining more brightly than usual. It is because they are reflecting the X-rays emitted by Sagittarius A 200 years ago. The researchers say that for the very first time, they were able to detect the polarization of this X-ray light with great precision and also determine its source, something that had previously proved impossible. Rather like a compass, the polarized X-ray light points directly to its source, Sagittarius A, even though the latter is now virtually extinct. The scientists are continuing their work on Sagittarius A to try to determine the physical mechanisms required for a black hole to switch from a quiescent state to an active one. And this is a professor on astronomy, advanced physics, mathematics, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.